Hey guys, do you like free stuff? Who doesn't like? Let me explain you. I'm talking about the elegant theme Black Friday Cyber Monday deal, which is around the corner, which will start within 5 days, and you can have a chance to download free product from the DV marketplaces, which is around $1 lakh. Who are eligible for these prices? Let me explain you. Who buys, who upgrades, and who renews their membership, who are already a member of Elegant Theme, they are also eligible for these prices, as well as Elegant Theme is also going to offer you free MacBook Pro who entered in the giveaway. So let me explain you how it works. So before the sale will start from 26 November, but before that you can book or you can enter in the giveaway to win a free MacBook Pro, while $1 lakh prices is eligible for everyone who purchase and renews their Elegant Theme membership during the Black Friday Cyber Monday deal, which will begin on 26 November. And one more thing I'm going to explain you guys here how much discount we are expecting from Elegant Theme on DV theme. Let me explain you. The normal price of DV yearly access, which is around 89 USD, but when you buy during the Black Friday Cyber Monday deal, you can get yearly membership from Elegant Theme, is only 67 USD. And if you go for lifetime access, then you just have to pay 187 USD. We are expecting this much discount according to the last couple of years. And let me finally explain you that how you can enter in the giveaway to win free MacBook Pro. You just have to come on this page, Elegant Theme Black Friday Cyber Monday deal page. We'll share the link in the video description, so don't have to struggle here to there. So you just have to click on this button here, and you will have this pop-up. So there are 10 ways to enter in the giveaway to win free MacBook Pro. You can join the DV Elegant Theme newsletter. You can save the date into your Google Calendar, and you can tweet about the Elegant Theme on your Twitter handle, and you also can share on LinkedIn your personal profile. It doesn't matter on your company profile. And also you can retweet Elegant Theme tweets directly to your Twitter handle. You can follow Elegant Themes on Twitter. You also can write a blog post like I have written over here. You can also see my blog. I will share the link in the video description. And you will also have a another method. You can create a video like I'm creating here to promote the sale, and you can enter in the giveaway. Also you can refer your friends to get extra entries, and you can join the free bonus entry. So there are 10 ways to enter in the giveaway, and you can you can win a free MacBook Pro from the Elegant Theme. Let me show you the MacBook Pro, which is M1 chip, M1 chip Pro, and it is comes with 10 core CPU, 16 core GPU, and you will have 16 GB unified memory, 512 GB SSD storage. So it is great price, which is never offered by the Elegant Theme before. So guys, what are you waiting for? Just come here on this page and book your entry to win free MacBook Pro before 26 November, and stick the date. If you are going to purchase a DB theme from Elegant Theme during the Black Friday Cyber Monday deal, you can get a great discount. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.